I want to talk to you about what informs your purpose. What is it that informs your purpose? Is it an event, multiple events, or is it destiny?
I can say events. The events, I even don't know how to explain. But that is it.
Events.
Yeah.
Multiple events that occurred in
Yeah.
your life
Yeah.
informed your
Have
purpose.
Yeah, they inform my purpose. And when I talk about it, I just want to the events that have happened have made me know that cancer does not kill.
Mhm.
So anytime I sit, all I know is cancer does not kill. Maybe depression. Oh, you are diagnosed with cancer and then you're depressed. That's what kills you. But cancer itself doesn't kill. Mm.
Mhm.
So the events I've been through, the chemos, the side effects, what and what, all those show me that cancer does not kill.
Right. It's that mindset that you develop.
Exactly, the mindset.
Yeah. Just knowing and believing and having faith is so important.
Very, very.
Very important. You know, let's talk about values and beliefs. What are some of your values and beliefs that you hold on to that drives you in the pursuit of your purpose?
The first one is a positive attitude. Once you have a positive attitude, there's nothing that will go against your purpose. You just have to be positive. You say, I'm not going to do this, I'll do this. That one. I want this and this. A positive attitude towards it will make you achieve your purpose. Very, very important. I am very positive. So as I talk now, I'm positive that once I finish this active treatment, I'm going to be very, very healthy. I'll walk around, I'll go to the gym, I'll do what and what. Right now, I can't run. I can't run very fast because I have pain in my legs. But I'm very positive. This positive attitude drives me every time. I always hope that by the end of everything, I'll go back to the normal me. So that positive attitude is helping me to pursue my purpose in life. And then I'm also disciplined. I'm very disciplined. In fact, I love myself because of the discipline I have. I'm very disciplined and I'm very focused.
Mm.
Very disciplined because talking about cancer, once you're diagnosed with cancer, you're told, don't use sugar. That's the first thing. I've never used sugar. Never. I'm very disciplined. Don't use seed oils. I prefer eating steamed vegetables, uh, what and what, anything that is out of the oils, I don't use. I don't use alcohol. I've never used it. I don't know how it tastes. So you see, I'm disciplined and I'm also a very focused woman. I want to focus on what I want in life. And what do I want? I've already told you I want to start a community, a program on fighting cancer. So being focused means I have to be fine and also do it. Uh, Another value I have is honesty. I always speak the truth. I speak out my feelings. I do it. I prefer you hate me, but I tell you the truth. That's how honest I am. I'll tell you, you ask me for something, I tell you I don't have. It's better you say, I'm not giving you, maybe mean or something like that. That's okay. And once I get, you've done something wrong, I'll tell you in the face. I'll tell you, Daktari, that's wrong. I'll do it. I'll do it without I'll not put any other word. I'll just tell you the truth. I'm very honest about it. I'll do what I want to do, what I think is right. Maybe it might not be right for another person, but according to me, if I think it's right, I'll do it. I'll tell you. Huh? I'll tell you the truth, and that's what keeps me going. And also, I'm a very, very effective time manager. I manage my time very, very well. Very, very well. I do it the way, in fact, in our home, the Kisiangani's home, they know me as a timekeeper. Once I say it's 7 o'clock, it will be. Once I say we should do this before this time, that's what happens. So this time management has been of help to me, even at school, even at the school I teach. The kids know our teacher will be here at 6 o'clock in class. If anyone comes after, definitely he or she gets a small punishment to help him or her know that tomorrow I have to be at school very, very early. So this time management has helped me even at my workplace. I finish my syllabus very early. We have 3 terms in Kenya, first term, second term, and third term. So I make sure by the end of second term, I've finished the syllabus, if not for an examination. For an examination class, I always use any time available so that at the beginning of second term, I'm through with my work. Then we begin with the revision for the exam. That's what I do. So I manage my time very, very well everywhere. The only place I don't manage my time, maybe I can say it's church. Because in the church we don't know. Maybe you can go at 7 o'clock, you find nobody there. So you opt for 10 o'clock. You go at 10 o'clock, you get the pastor preaching. At times you go at 9 o'clock, they are praying, the very long prayers. So you go sit, you you go and sit. You go and sit. Maybe I don't pray for a long time. I don't. I can't mince the words. I don't pray. I don't know how to pray the way people pray like that. So I can't pray for a very long time. So time management is always an issue in church. But these other places, my time is
those are some very important values that you're using to drive you in the pursuit of your purpose.
yeah.
In your bio, we talk about you as being very optimistic about beating cancer and being a testimony to the world that cancer is not a death sentence. And I think you're living that. You're living that. You're living that in so many ways. Your attitude, your belief, the energy, even though sometimes you may not be feeling a certain way, but you're really overcoming all of those and just doing an amazing job projecting and doing what you need to do to the point where you're not only focused on your own health, you're also living to assist others and to promote their health as well. And that's something very powerful. Okay, so Ms. Kasiangani, you talk about the community that you will be building, the support that you'll be providing through your purpose. And how do you hope to implement that community? I know you're going to do it through Hope and Destiny Foundation. And what will be the end result of that community? How will that help you to fulfill your purpose?
Yeah, just making that hopeless cancer fighter to be hopeful again is all I want. Because the Hope and Destiny Foundation will be based mostly in Kisiangani. So I want those people who are fighting cancer in Kisiangani, especially, or maybe Trans Nzoia County, because Kisiangani is a constituency in Trans Nzoia County. I want those people fighting cancer to be hopeful, to be hopeful. I want to talk to them. I just want, I'll be so glad, I'll be fulfilled once I get that one person who maybe was diagnosed of cancer stage 4. And because she saw me, she was so excited and maybe got positive about fighting it and was able to overcome that stage 4. We have people who have overcome cancer in stage 4 and they're living. We have so many testimonies I get from the hospital. So I want to be one of those who will talk to this hopeless cancer fighter and tell him or her that he or she can live again. That will be the best fulfillment for my life. I want the cancer patients to live again. You know, we lose hope. I remember the time I was diagnosed, I knew I was going to die because this is the 3rd time I was being diagnosed. So far, I've suffered 2 cancers. So all I knew is, it's too much. Mimi, it's always me, it's always me, it's always me. So I'm just going to die. But when I thought of life ahead, when I thought that I have 2 children who look up to me on everything, being a single mother, it made me bring back my hope. It made me jump out of my head, my bed, and move around and look at everything in a positive way and say to myself, if God brought this suffering to me, that means He is ready to take me out of this bondage so that I be a testimony to other people. So I want the fulfillment I'll get for my purpose is just to make that cancer patient positive and live again just the way I'm living.
Well, you know, Ms. Kisiangani, one thing I can say for sure, I am having a conversation right now with a person who is very much alive, very much on their game, and very much who's going to be around for a long time to come, making a difference in the lives of others. I am so sure of that as I'm talking to you. But you're telling me you believe that and you know that. You have convinced me.
Thank you.